During the winter season, we go into hibernation mode. The days are shorter, you become less sedentary, it's colder outside, and this is when you tend to eat heavier foods. But as we move into the spring season, you begin to feel the shift. You tend to have more energy. The days are getting slightly longer. The temperature is starting to break. It's become milder and getting warmer. You just want to do more. And the spring season is when a lot of people are compelled to get healthier. And one of the best ways to effectively improve your health transitioning into the spring season is to do a spring detox. Doing a spring detox helps our bodies transition into the next season. As I mentioned, during the winter season, we're less sedentary and we're eating heavier foods. So as we transition into the spring, we want to nurture, support, and assist our body in rebalancing. The organs of the spring season are your liver and gallbladder. Our liver and gallbladder are such vital organs to our overall health. Our livers are constantly being beat up and abused just through life in general, from the pollution in the air to the diets that we consume. If you take medication, if you drink alcohol, if you don't drink enough water, all these things will negatively impact our livers. And in the springtime, it's the time to give our livers that support and love that it needs so that it can rebalance and serve us most effectively. Our gallbladder is also a very important organ, so important in the digestion of fats. Because we are inundated with junk food and fast food and all this packaged processed foods, a lot of people have to have their gallbladder removed. And if you had to have your gallbladder removed, or you have a poorly functioning gallbladder, this puts even more pressure and it's more taxing to your liver. So during the spring season, we are focusing on these two organs to rebalance them, to nurture them, give them some love, rejuvenate them so that they can work for you the way they're supposed to. Our spring detox is a 3-week program. And during this 3-week program, you're going to be doing our spring detox protocol. This protocol, we take a holistic approach. It's going to be looking at, of course, nutrition. There are certain supplements that you're going to be taking, but we're also looking at lifestyle. We're looking at emotions. We truly take a holistic approach with our detox programs. And as I mentioned, it's 3 weeks long. We've been using our detox protocols for years, and we're constantly improving upon them to make them more effective so that you can reach your health goals. We've always provided individual detox programs to our clients, but we wanted to do a group program because we feel that they're more effective and impactful. It's so powerful when like-minded people get together on a common accord. And by doing a group program, we find that people see results because you have that accountability and support. You have other people in line with you, moving in the same direction. You feel like you're all moving together, and the chances of success always increase when you do things in a group. Our group program also allows Jamal and myself to provide more accountability and support to the group, and you have direct supervision from us on a daily basis. And we're also going to have weekly live video coaching calls to assist you and help you troubleshoot or help give you that accountability, support, and motivation to stay the course so that you can be successful in your spring detox. So if you want to feel better, if you want your skin to glow and glisten like it used to, if you want to practice preventative health, if you want to take responsibility for your health, you want to follow the cycles of living a natural and holistic lifestyle, and if you want to do a detox that has more accountability and support and supervision, what are you waiting for? Click the link below and join us in our spring group detox program. We look forward to working with you.